Is this the ultimate pickup truck you've been waiting for? Tough, powerful, and loaded with tech that will make every drive feel like an adventure? Buckle up, because today, we're diving deep into the specs and features of the new Ford F-150, and trust me, you won't want to miss a single detail. Stay tuned until the end to see how this truck can take on any challenge you throw at it. Welcome to the channel, car enthusiasts. If you love pickups with insane power, top-tier handling, and endless customization, then this is the review for you. Today, we're talking all about the new Ford F-150, and we're breaking it down from top to bottom. Power, performance, comfort, safety, and everything in between. When it comes to power, this truck doesn't hold back. Let's start with the engine options. The standard engine is a 2.7-liter EcoBoost V6, perfect for everyday driving. But if you're craving more muscle, you can opt for the 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 or the mighty 5.0-liter TI VCT V8. And did we mention the 10-speed automatic transmission with select shift? This tech lets you take control of every shift for a smooth, responsive ride, whether you're on the road or off. And for all you long haulers out there, the auto start-stop technology saves you fuel. And with a fuel tank that can go up to 36 gallons on some models, you'll be making fewer stops at the pump. Now handling is where this truck shines. It comes standard with 4x2, but if you're into off-roading or towing, you can choose the 4x4 upgrade. With independent front suspension, hill start assist, and selectable drive modes, you can easily switch between normal, eco, sport, tow, haul, and more. Need to conquer deep snow or rough mud? The 4x4 model has you covered with even more drive modes like deep snow, sand, and mud rut. When you see this truck, you'll know it means business. The black coast-to-coast grille, LED reflector headlamps, and daytime running lamps make a bold statement. And whether you choose the chrome bumpers or the rugged black accents, it's designed to look as tough as it performs. On the inside, comfort meets tech. You get a 12-inch digital productivity screen with Sync 4, plus a 12-volt power point for charging your devices on the go. Plus, for those longer trips, the manual air conditioning or dual-zone electronic automatic temperature control will keep everyone cool. And the power-adjustable seats mean finding that perfect driving position is a breeze. Of course, safety is key in any great truck, and this one is packed with features to keep you and your passengers safe. From BLIS with cross-traffic alert to pre-collision assist and post-collision braking, it has everything you need to stay secure on the road. And with the addition of Advanced Track with roll stability control, this truck is built to handle tough conditions with ease. Now, if you're someone who likes to make their ride truly their own, this truck offers plenty of customization options. You can add chrome bumpers, fog lamps, and even running boards for that extra rugged look. Plus, if you're hauling cargo, you can get aluminum crossbed storage and bed hooks to keep everything secure. So whether you're towing a trailer, hitting the trails, or just need a tough daily driver, the new Ford F-150 is up for anything. With a perfect balance of power, handling, safety, and comfort, this truck could be the best investment for those who need a reliable and powerful companion. Let us know in the comments, would you pick the standard 4x2 or go all in with the 4x4? And don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this breakdown. Subscribe for more car reviews and specs. Catch you next time, gearheads.